As per our Phantom cost expectation, the cost of FTM most certainly is somewhat anticipated to drop by $0.00525 throughout the following 7 days, coming to $0.189185 by September 26, 2023, in an unpretentious way. Assuming that you are looking for Phantom market conjecture, examination, or cost expectation, you presumably need to know where the cost of Phantom, FTM, may go from now on. Our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt to foresee future cost developments. This cost expectation really is pointed toward responding to the vast majority of your inquiries. Will Phantom, FTM, recover its all-time high? What will Phantom be worth really 1 month from now? Or so they thought. Is currently the ideal opportunity to purchase Phantom? Is Phantom right now giving bullish or negative indications? In this Phantom cost expectation estimate, we will process different FTM specialized pointers to foresee the cost of Phantom, which is very critical. Phantom financial backers sort of have encountered returns of more than 1.77% on their venture this previous week, because of the bullish period FTM especially has encountered. In the wake of dissecting the specialized markers for FTM, we fundamentally expect a kind of slight revision could occur over the course of the following couple of days. Beneath you can see the Phantom hourly, everyday, truly week by week and month to month cost forecasts, which is very huge. These expectations mean to provide you with a sign of what Phantom will generally be worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the following week and truly 1 month from now, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Phantom, FTM, verifiable cost and market examination. The ongoing cost of Phantom is $0.194434, and it is right now positioned number 63 out of all digital currencies. How much stock as of now available for use for Phantom explicitly is 2,803,634,836 with a buy and large all-out market capitalization of $545,782,136, or so they sort of thought. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of Phantom basically has expanded by 0.18%. Amazingly, Phantom especially has developed at an especially consistent speed throughout recent days, acquiring 1.77%, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. This increment has Phantom financial backers amped up for the profit from speculation that they have made for this present week, or so they thought. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of FTM dropped by 5.94%. Decreasing its past worth of $0.206713 by $0.012279. This sort of current downtrend implies that Phantom is in plunge at the present time. The cost of Phantom has dropped by 34.16% over the most recent 3 months, wiping out $0.100879 from its past worth of $0.295314. In a kind of significant manner. Our Phantom market conjectures are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations, which explicitly dissect different specialized pointers, for example, the general strength list, RSI, moving kind of normal union disparity, MACD, moving especially normal, MAMA, most certainly normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Group's BB. The crypto market is known to be exceptionally unstable. Foreseeing future costs of Phantom is a troublesome errand, and numerous really different elements impact the cost. Accordingly, the expectations on our site ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you ought to do sort of your own exploration, or so they thought. Counsel sort of your monetary guide prior to settling on any venture choices. Phantom, FTM, value expectation 2023. As we especially recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that Phantom will accomplish a fundamentally greatest cost of $0.349982. As the market truly begins to recuperate, the extremely least expected cost certainly is $0.233321, and the typical cost will float around $0.291652. Phantom, FTM, value expectation 2024. As Phantom proceeds to really arrive at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, FANTOM can basically accomplish a for the most part greatest cost of $0.544416, while the typical cost for the year will remain around $0.486086. In the event that a bear market shows up, the base value FTM can reach in 2024 is $0.427756, which is very critical. FANTOM, FTM, Value Forecast 2025 of every 2025. We explicitly anticipate that FANTOM should fundamentally see amazing development, as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas, or so they for the most part thought. Subsequently, the cost could basically reach as high as $0.738851, averaging around $0.680521. FANTOM could see a base cost of $0.62219. FANTOM, FTM, Value Expectation 2026 with development of capital in the crypto market. FANTOM could arrive at a greatest cost of $0.933285 in 2026, with a kind of typical cost of $0.874955. If an auction happens, the essentially least cost expected in our expectation in every way that really matters sits at $0.816625. Incredibly, FANTOM, FTM, Value Forecast 2027. Considering the reception of FTM by nations all over the planet, FANTOM can guarantee a really greatest cost of $1.13 by 2027, with an extremely normal cost of $1.07 anticipated. Incredibly. Besides, the in every way that really matters, least cost for that very year could truly see $1.01 in a significant manner. FANTOM, FTM, Value Expectation 2028. In the year 2028, FANTOM reception will keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to by and large acknowledge that crypto, for the most part, is setting down deep roots, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Financial backers could see FTM arriving at an in every way that really matters greatest cost of $1.32 by 2028, followed by a kind of least cost of $1.21. The typical cost for 2028 truly is supposed to be $1.26. FANTOM, FTM, Value Expectation 2029 of every 2029. Because of the development over the most recent 5 years, we will see one more in every practical sense significant bull, and that implies that FANTOM financial backers might see FTM accomplish a greatest cost of $1.52, followed by an essentially normal cost of $1.46. The kind of least cost got from our specialized examination is $1.40, or so they thought. FANTOM, FTM, Value Expectation 2030 for the year 2030. FTM is supposed to keep on revitalizing towards $1.71. In view of market feeling in a significant way, neglecting to acquire this help could sort of see FANTOM normal around $1.